We are in Leander, Central Texas, where this flood hit on July 4th and 5th. We're still dealing with a lot of debris and damage you'll see all around us. This client has some very large culverts that are about 42 inches wide, completely clogged, about this high up of road base and debris that came up from downstream. So we're gonna go through and Brian's gonna be excavating out, getting this opened up for us so this could breathe again. And then I'm gonna get back here with another machine and a grapple and get all this debris back to a burn pile for a later date. Then we could actually make the driveway beautiful again. So the whole thing was started with the driveway long ago. We've been working on this property for a few years, and this client keeps adding buildings and doing cool stuff like people do on their property. And we are just out here to help them get on to a new day, moving a little better and make things a little cleaner for them and not have to worry about all this insanity. So let's get to work.